This is a review of the Vamtac Rhinestone hoodie in a bright red color that we are going to be doing a unboxing review and also test fit on, in which the brand sent me out this product as a gift to test it out. And in this unboxing review and test fit, we're going to show you guys what you get, and from there we are going to test this out. So without going any further, let's unbox this and show you guys what you get inside. Okay, so we got the hoodie unboxed, and here is the rhinestone hoodie in a bright red color. It looks absolutely beautiful. I absolutely love the whole color design, and I do also want to say that the rhinestones also do not move at all either. They're firm in place as well. But what we're going to do now is that I'm going to wear this and show you guys more in depth about this rhinestone hoodie. Okay, so here's the finished results of the Vamtac Rhinestone hoodie, and I do want to say is that it turned out absolutely beautiful once I wore it on. You can see right over here the rhinestones themselves. They are also high quality and it's firm into place. You don't have to worry about it, coming off or anything like that. You can see right over here as I'm pulling it, they are not coming off anywhere. Even go, for the same for the smaller rhinestones as well too. They are not moving anywhere out of place. They are, high quality. They are glued inside. You don't have to worry about it falling off. And another thing I do want to, mention about this rhinestone hoodie is that I'm about 5 feet 10 inches. My weight is about 165 pounds. And if you're looking for a casual loose fit, then this is, for the size large that I'm wearing right now, this is probably the best dimensions to go for if you're looking for a casual loose fit. You can see right over here on the sides how, it has plenty of space for your arms as well too. Right over here coming on this side as well too, plenty of space as well too. Now in the back side up here too, you can see how there's a hoodie right over here. So if you're in the cold or something like that, it comes with a hoodie that you can wear. And right over here, it looks absolutely beautiful. I'm going to demonstrate and show you guys a walk around when I walk. You can see how beautiful this, Vamtac Rhinestone hoodie is. I would definitely recommend this hoodie if you're going to something like a concert, a festival, event, or any like a party that you want to make a bold fashion statement and stand out from the crowd. This right over here is probably one of the best hoodies to get, and I chose the bright red color because it makes definitely a bold statement look for fashion wise, and it turned out absolutely amazing. I absolutely love this. Do one more turnaround to show you guys. And yeah, I would definitely recommend this. I'm very happy about the Vamtac Rhinestone hoodie, and I would definitely recommend this if you're wanting to make a bold fashion statement. Then this is probably one of the best hoodies to get.